The Pixel 3 and 3 XL will be announced on the 9th of October 2018. As we get ever closer to their launch, the number of leaks is increasing, with reviews popping up online. Careless owners of Pixel 3 XL prototypes leaving them in the back of taxis. And now serial leakster at EvLeaks has offered some official renders of the upcoming phone's. Highlights include the addition of wireless charging and some wired Pixel Bud earphones in the box. But while other smartphone makers are adding multiple cameras to the rear, it appears Google is switching things around with just one at the back and two at the front. You can also expect front-facing speakers and active edge gestures to feature, thanks to HTC's involvement. Now let's discuss about what we know about Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL according to the leaks and rumors.
Number 1. When is the Pixel 3 release date? Google will announce the Pixel 3 and 3 XL during a launch event at 4 p.m. BST on the 9th of October 2018. We'll bring you more details on how to watch live nearer the time.
Number 2. How much will the Pixel 3 cost? Google will likely keep its pricing in line with the 2017 models, which currently start at £629 for the Pixel 2 and £699, reduced from £799 for the XL. Direct from Google. According to an early review, the 3XL should cost around $749 and the 3 around $649.
Number 3. What to expect from the new Google phones? Nearly all the leaks have been concerned with the larger model of the pair, the 3XL. This is expected to be the flagship, and as in recent years, the standard Pixel will likely be a smaller, cheaper, less well-specified phone. Both phones will run Android Pie out of the box, which focuses on improvements in 3 main categories: intelligence, simplicity, and digital well-being, with the most obvious change in the Pixel 3 likely to be its new single-button navigation system, which you swipe from side to see open apps or pull up to view predicted apps. They may also be supplied with wired versions of the Google Assistant integrated Pixel Buds headphones, and with HTC's involvement feature active edge gestures and front-facing boom sound speakers. Neither phone has a 3.5mm audio jack, but a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter is in the box.